A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome again. Today we're actually going to do an experiment. Now, I don't know about you, but I love experiments. And this experiment is super easy to put together. But I hope you get to watch it and I hope you enjoy it. But we are actually talking about Amr bil Ma'ruf today. Do you remember what Amr bil Ma'ruf is? Amr bil Ma'ruf is when we invite others to do good, or when we encourage others to do good or to be better people. And the idea is that when I only tell someone a little bit, it's only going to make only a little bit of a difference. When I try and remind them again, or if I try and encourage more people to do good, then it's going to make a bigger impact. And we're going to see that through some food colour. So I've actually got some pink, some red, and a little bit, and I've got some blue. I've got a tall glass of just water that I got from the bathroom, and because food colour can be a little bit messy, and it can stain our hands and our clothes, I've got a paper towel to wipe up my spills if I have any. But we are going to try this quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and use some blue because I'm wearing some blue, and I'm going to put in just one drop, and we are going to watch what happens to the water. So I only want to put in one drop, and let's see what happens. Can you see any change? Can you see any change? I don't see a lot of change, but I can see just a slight bit. So it's a really, really light blue. And I'm going to add in a couple of more drops so we can see what happens. You ready? So remember, the food colour is like me trying to give advice or trying to encourage others to do good, okay? And the water is like the person whom I'm trying to encourage, or I'm trying to advise them to do good, okay? So I'm going to add, let's say, 3 more drops. 1, 2, 3, almost. I did have a bit of a spill, so I'm just going to wipe it up quickly. Oh, that looks like a really pretty blue. Can you see it? You see how it's slightly changed? And so, a little bit more, and a little bit more advice, a little bit more encouragement to others to do good. And let's see what happens. Okay. I've added like 6 more drops, almost. And I need to wipe up my hands because they are getting a bit stained. But can you see my blue change? Can you see the blue of the water? There's a lot more in there now. And so just like a person, when there's a lot more encouragement, or when they're advised to do good a little bit more, and when we help one another do better, we actually help change the person. And so just like Prophet Lut, who was trying to encourage his people, and he was trying to do Amr bil Ma'ruf to his people, even though they weren't necessarily listening, he did do his best. And that's what's important, is that you and I, we need to do our best to try and encourage others to do their best, and to try and do good, and to try and be better people. And inshallah, with Allah's help and Allah's help to us, when we try and encourage one another, we will all become better people, living in a better world. I really hope you've enjoyed this experiment today. Try it at home and see how you like it, and inshallah we'll see you again next time. Good Hafiz.